guys, it's me, MK1. Today we are unboxing two Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's unbox this Hot Wheels AV color. It's Jaguar MK1 with gray and white and black from race day 210 with 75 out of 250. This speed demons prove any day is a great day to hit the track. There's a Jaguar trademark and Goodyear trademark. Let's unbox this car. One, we have gray grille and a blackless with Get One, and the headlights pan to side with Goodyear logo, rear, driver's side, and roof. And the code says U19, that's the code. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels 1994 Bugatti EB110 SS with purple from SW Race Day 910 with 221 out of 250. And this is 2025 LK Super Treasure Hunt. And this is not super, this is actually regular. I already read it, and there's a Bugatti trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have black headlights, pan to side, rear with spoiler and a license plate, driver's side, and roof. And the code says U19, that's the code. Okay, and that's all for now. And please be sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.